Colorado Springs Army Base Injury Lawsuits. Colorado Springs, a city adorned with stunning natural beauty and home to a number of military installations, including Army bases, bears witness to a unique blend of serenity and vigilance. These bases stand as bastions of national defense, but they also harbor an underbelly of potential risks and challenges, prominently featuring accidents and injuries. In this comprehensive exploration of Colorado Springs Army Base Injury Lawsuits, we will embark on a journey that goes beyond the superficial, diving deep into the legal intricacies surrounding such cases. The landscape of Colorado Springs Army bases. The military presence in Colorado Springs is diverse, each base contributing uniquely to the nation's defense. From the strategic operations at Fort Carson to the character-building education at the Air Force Academy, these installations are more than military outposts. They are integral to the identity of the city. Decoding injury dynamics on Army bases. A wide array of potential accidents can occur, from training-related incidents to vehicle crashes, hazardous material exposure, and the long-term mental toll of service. Understanding the spectrum of dangers is vital for both military personnel and civilian employees. Navigating the legal labyrinth. Initiating Army base injury lawsuits. When an injury on an Army base is the result of negligence or misconduct, the possibility of filing a lawsuit emerges. The web of influences. Factors shaping Army base injury lawsuits. The outcome of an Army base injury lawsuit hinges on a multitude of factors. The nature of the injury, the degree of negligence, the quality of evidence, and the status of the victim as a service member or civilian all intertwine, creating a complex legal tapestry. Seeking restitution. A comprehensive insight into damages and claims. Those affected by injuries on Army bases have the right to seek compensation for their losses, which extend beyond medical expenses to encompass lost wages, pain and suffering, and emotional distress. The legal vanguard. The imperative role of legal representation. Effective legal representation is the cornerstone of a successful Army base injury lawsuit. Colorado Springs soldier accident lawyers who possess a deep understanding of both military and civilian legal systems play a pivotal role in guiding individuals through the complex process, ensuring their rights are upheld. Settling or suing. Strategies for resolving Army base injury cases. Many Army base injury cases find resolution through settlements, offering expediency and reduced stress for all parties involved. The arsenal of evidence. Building a robust legal case. The strength of an Army base injury lawsuit is only as strong as the evidence presented. This can include medical records, incident reports, eyewitness testimonies, and expert opinions. Unraveling the trial process. A deep dive into court proceedings. For cases that progress to trial, a comprehensive understanding of the legal process is crucial. Both sides present their arguments, evidence is rigorously scrutinized, and a judge or jury delivers a verdict. Lessons from real cases. Valuable insights from recent litigations. Real-world case studies offer valuable insights into the diverse trajectories of Army base injury lawsuits. Racing against time. The significance of prompt action. Taking swift action after an injury is paramount, as statutes of limitations impose strict deadlines for filing lawsuits. Delays can jeopardize the ability to seek compensation and justice, highlighting the urgency of timely action. Guiding light. The expertise of legal counsel in complex cases. Given the intricate nature of Army base injury lawsuits, seeking expert legal counsel is essential. Attorneys specializing in these cases possess the knowledge and experience necessary to navigate the process successfully, providing much-needed guidance and support. Beyond compensation. Fostering accountability through lawsuits. Army base injury lawsuits serve a dual purpose. While seeking compensation is essential, they also serve as a means to hold negligent parties accountable. By bringing safety lapses to light, these lawsuits contribute to a culture of responsibility and prevention within military bases. FAQs. Can individuals sue Army bases for injuries sustained while on duty? Yes. Individuals have the legal right to initiate Army base injury lawsuits if negligence leads to injuries. What types of compensation can be pursued in these lawsuits? Compensation may encompass medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, and emotional distress. Is there a time limit for filing a lawsuit after an injury on an Army base? Yes, statutes of limitations define the timeframe within which a lawsuit must be filed. Taking prompt action is crucial. Can civilians working on Army bases file lawsuits for injuries? Absolutely. Civilians who suffer injuries due to negligence on Army bases can also pursue lawsuits. How long do Army base injury lawsuits typically take to resolve? The duration can vary, with some cases settling quickly through negotiations and others requiring more extended court proceedings.